If you find your eBay account restricted, it's important to understand the appeal process to regain access. Follow these steps to effectively appeal the restriction on your account. Step 1. Review the restriction notice. Carefully read the email or notification from eBay regarding the restriction. Understand the reason provided for the restriction, as this will guide your appeal. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect all relevant information related to your account, including your account details, transaction history, and any communication with eBay. This will help support your case during the appeal process. Step 3. Prepare your appeal. Draft a clear and concise appeal letter. Address the specific issues mentioned in the restriction notice, explain your side of the story, and provide any evidence that supports your case. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Log into your eBay account and navigate to the Help and Contact section. Look for the option to appeal account restrictions and submit your prepared appeal letter along with any supporting documents. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for a response from eBay. If you do not receive a reply within a reasonable time frame, consider following up to check on the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal an account restriction on eBay and work towards resolving the issue. Good luck!